Hello friends, today I am going to show you few tricks and tools through which you can convert your Word documents into PDF and PDF files into Word documents. So, first tool is Microsoft Save as PDF that allows you to export and save your files in the PDF format. Download and install Microsoft Office add-in Microsoft Save as PDF or XPS. Follow the instructions as shown in video. Follow the instructions as shown in video. Wait until complete. Now you can see that Save as PDF option has activated. Now you can see here our Word document has converted into PDF format. So, second tool is Qt PDF Writer. It is a virtual printer that can save any kind of printable document as a PDF file. Download and install Qt Writer and PS2 PDF Converter tool. Follow the instructions as shown in video. Follow the instructions as shown in video. Wait until complete. 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 Here you can see a virtual printer has created. Now you can print or convert any document or web page into PDF format. Follow the instructions as shown in video. Now I will show you how you can convert a PDF file into Word format. Open and log into your Google Drive account and drag and drop your PDF file into it as shown in video. Follow the instructions as shown in video. Now right-click on it and open with Google Doc. Follow the instructions as shown in video. Follow the instructions as shown in video.